Welcome back to In the Office with Light Pong, giving you a transparent look into how our team is building Light Pong from the inside out. Welcome. Here's our team going over recent handle designs and giving feedback on them.
I think that it sits a little bit higher in my hand, and for some reason that feels a little more comfortable.
Yeah, I like Matt's attention to detail, where with these you can hold it with one hand and then slam it with the other, because that's what a lot of people are doing.
Hey man, can I help you?
No. Here's a bit of us going over recent user experience designs of the mobile app.
This is the main Light Pong homepage, home screen. This is with the unit disconnected. What it looks like with the unit connected is this, the marketplace. I basically have combined the app settings and unit settings.
Your screen is really blurry for me, but other than that, I can kind of see it. Ooh.
Here's our founder somehow managing to get someone to come to his house and give him a COVID vaccine booster shot.
Let's keep the Light Pong community safe. You don't like needles?
No.
Alright, Pfizer booster, left arm. Just relax your arm as much as you can, and then it'll just be a small poke, okay? Perfect.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that wasn't too bad.
Here's the software team discussing what data needs to exist for the companion app, where in the cloud it needs to exist, and who's gonna do what kind of work.
Continue to work on the backend APIs. I think I covered the Light Pong unit as well as the users.
Currently, I'll be working on the models. He has already done the outline, so I'm gonna do more research on the documentation you guys have added. And then Giuseppe is make some documentation on the frameworks that we will be using for the project. I also gave some suggestions which is best and why we have to use it, so we discussed on that. Boilerplate will be created by Giuseppe, and then we both will be creating a GitHub, and then we're just working on the feature branches.
Moving forward, it's a miracle.
I think your alcohol just got delivered.
My alcohol?
Yeah.
What kind?
The one you ordered from Amazon.
Oh, the isopropyl alcohol.
Here's Raj, one of our head developers, explaining why he referred his brother when our founder asked him for higher referrals.
So then, Raj, did you say, hey, my brother could work with us?
Yeah, actually, Akib asked me, when I started off with it, he asked me who's that partner. So I told him it's my brother, and he wanted some guys for me to refer. Because I know some guys to refer, but I'm not sure whether they'll do the job or not. I can't trust them, right? But I can trust my brother. I know how he works and the quality, the code he does and stuff. I know from my brother. I don't know the other guys. So that's what I recommend him, yeah. And also, it's funny, Matt is always hunting for content, Yeah, I find Light Pong very interesting. A lot of time in my day to do that, something fun as well, right?
Here's our founder Akib in the middle of paying someone in crypto for the very first time after one of our contractors requested to be paid in Ethereum.
What are you working on right now?
Paying a contractor via Bitcoin?
Oh, interesting.
It's new to me. Never done it before.
You've never paid a contractor in Bitcoin before?
I've never paid anyone via Bitcoin before. I'm just perplexed because it's new.
A little update from Graham on the network protocol and why he wishes he could push all his meetings to one time so he could just develop for long stretches.
It's Tuesday.
But it's a Tuesday of progress. I finally have this network protocol prototype working. So I'm communicating between the Light Pong unit and between presumably anything else. I think the other day I said I was trying to claw my day back from the start of the day having no meetings and then all the meetings started to crop up. For my workflow personally, I find myself debugging better if I have a big slot of time. So I finally, over yesterday and on Friday, I had these big stretches of time where I could just chip away at it, and it worked.
Thanks for watching. We'd really appreciate it if you were to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'm sure you've heard that from a million other YouTube channels, but as a smaller channel right now, we'd really appreciate the early support. Thanks again.